Good evening, my dear students. After a long time I am back. Today I am going to teach you about gravitation. First we have to understand what is gravitation. It is related to gravity. From gravity there is gravitation. We all know that force is required to have a motion in a body. So, gravitational force. What is gravitational force or gravity? There is an attraction between the earth and an object. That is called gravity. Gravitational force is the force of attraction between the earth and the body. So we all know that when anything is falling down from a height, then what happened? It always comes down, not up. For example, if we throw a ball, it goes down and it goes down in downward direction and it comes to the ground. So why this is happened? Because of gravity. There is a force of attraction between the earth or ground and the object. Then come to universal law of gravitation. Universal law of gravitation, it states that universal law of gravitation. So what it states? It states that gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of two bodies and inversely proportional to the square. Universal law of gravitation. It states that gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of two bodies and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Let us take two bodies. Let it be A of mass m1 let it be B of mass m2 these are the centers and the distance between them is r. So what universal law of gravitation state? let F be the gravitational force M1 and M2 be the masses of two bodies, R be the distance between them, according to the law F is directly proportional to the product of the masses of two bodies, M1, M2. This is equation 1. And F is inversely proportional to the distance between, square of the distance between them. This is equation number 2. Now, equating two equations, what will be the equation? F proportional to M1 M2 divided by R square. So what will be our equation? F proportional to M1 M2 by R square. This implies, I have already told, when proportionality sign is taken off, then there will be a constant of proportionality multiplied. Here the constant of proportionality is G, capital G, G M1 M2 by R square. This is the formula for the gravitational force. So where G is equal to constant of proportionality known as gravitational constant. So from this equation we will derive the formula of G. G is equal to how much? F into R square divided by M1 M2. This is the formula for the G. Now let us derive the units. What will be the unit? SI unit. SI unit of G. What is the unit of force? Newton into, what is the unit of length? Meter square into, what is the unit of mass? Kg. Kg into kg. Kg square. If we multiply this, then it will be kg inverse 2. Or it will be written as Newton into meter square per kg square. So this will be the SI unit of G. And universal value is G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton into meter square per kg square. This is the universal value of gravitational constant. So all of you clear for today? This much. Thank you. Bye bye.